How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a super cool 71 Pontiac Lemans GT-37. Super slick car, guys. Painted burgundy fire mist. Beautiful car. Super slick paint on this car. Body work, everything is beautiful. Really like this car. This color just looks super cool on it. Got a 400 in it, and you see the charcoal gray side stripe. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the panel fitment, everything on this car is beautiful, guys. This car retains its original body panels. Super clean out west car. And you can see how straight this car is down the side. Just gorgeous car. Got the factory rally twos. Now the front bumper is the original. Shows a little bit of patina, but it's nice and straight. That is a 400 4-barrel, power steering and power brakes, 4-speed in this car. Super cool car, guys, and these cars are kind of rare. This was a way to get around insurance for the GTOs. You could get the same options in this car as you could in a GTO, but you get the better insurance rate. Get the factory in-dash tach, 4-speed. Super cool car, guys. Yeah, I kind of like it with the bench seat and the 4-speed. Just a sleeper. Got the factory spare in there. See how nice the rear bumper is. Tail lights all look real good in the car. Trunk, super nice. Trunk floor looks really good. Also has factory AM FM radio in it, which works. Got the trio gauges under the dash there to keep an eye on the motor. See how clean the jams are in this car? The paintwork on this car is super slick, guys. Doors are real clean. I mean, this is just a cool car, guys. It's got the factory chrome valve covers, dual snorkel air cleaner. Again, you could get this car with the same motor as a GTO, but you beat the insurance. Super cool car, guys. Sounds real good off the back. It's got the twin tailpipes with the rear valance with the cutout, just like the GTOs have. Good sounding car. Reverse lights all work just like they should. Super cool car, guys. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day.